Hey guys, Comedy Master 4 here. So today, we're gonna rank the alphabet lore letters with the tier list. The first letter should be Q. And I really liked him. The best of the most is F. You see, apparently J is kind of useless, and E is kind of important, and so as D and C. B is kind of the best. I like how he is a butterfly. The worst of the most, L and O. Why we hate L and O? Because in the episode NZ, L and O bullied Anne for reasons. Let's do now. All we get is P. And it's kind of important. So as M. Not gonna lie, I is kind of cute. Even though A is somewhat important with G. Even though P and G will marry. W is kind of useless, so yeah. I get H is kind of invincible, so not gonna lie. The only best of matters is T, U, V, R, K, S, X, Y, and most importantly, Z. And yeah, thanks for watching. Also, Happy Pi Day.